I've got another tarot spread from a place that was never meant to be a tarot spread, and this time it's the Enneagram. As you can see, there's 9 cards because there are 9 types in the Enneagram. And a little disclaimer, I am no expert, I'm barely into it, but I love the idea of personality tests as tarot spreads because I primarily read for transformation, for making decisions, so more of a psychological therapeutic style of reading. So these make great spreads. I really like parts work as well. Each of these types we have in us. And so I like to think about my inner reformer, my inner helper, my inner achiever, etc. For this spread, we're going to ask for a message from our inner Enneagram type. And remembering that some of these might be stronger in some of us, but we have these in each of us and we can draw them out in times when we need them. So first things first, the positions: the reformer, the helper, the achiever, the individualist, the investigator, the loyalist, the enthusiast, the challenger, and the peacemaker. For this spread, ask for a message from your inner, and then you fill in with the position, a lesson from them. You could ask how to draw that out in yourself more. You could ask how to mitigate that in yourself if you find you're doing a little too much of that and you're out of balance. You can ask for how to take best advantage of that. So lots of different questions you can approach this spread with, and I will put those in the description. Let's do a very quick example since this is 9 cards. So a message from my inner reformer, we have the 10 of Wands. Your reformer is self-controlled. They can be perfectionistic. They're very sort of principled people. So having 10 of Wands, which is sort of a card of burden, a message from your inner reformer is to kind of take it easy, to step back, to get more into balance. You're pushing too hard on that aspect of yourself, and determine which of these wands can you put down so you can be a more balanced person. A message from your inner helper. This is the caring, kind of generous, kind of always jumping in to help person. We have 5 of Swords. So your inner helper is reminding you to take care of yourself too. That sometimes things that feel really selfish to you are not actually selfish, but because of, who the helper is, they're too selfless. And so a little selfishness might actually just get you back into balance. I'm sensing a theme. Okay, a message from your inner achiever. Let's go a little faster. We've got 8 of Pentacles. So this is a reminder to keep at it. But maybe a reminder that slow and steady wins the race. You don't have to be constantly at the grind as long as you are focused while you're working. A message from your inner individualist, 10 of Swords. You've been going alone for a while and the pressures have been great. You're nearly done. Maybe cut the drama a little. Reach out for some help. A message from your inner investigator, Knight of Pentacles. Focus on discernment and deliberate movement. Take your time. Take the time to actually, get the information you need so that your movement is deliberate. A message from your inner loyalist, 5 of Wands. Ooh, a reminder that a little conflict is necessary and normal in life and in relationships. Not worry about that so much. A message from your inner enthusiast, 9 of Swords. I would say in this case, with 9 of Swords being about anxiety, that you need to draw your inner enthusiast out a little bit more. The enthusiast is real spontaneous and can be very fun-loving. Maybe your inner enthusiast is reminding you to stay authentic, to work on whatever this anxiety is that's creeping in, to get back to your enthusiast self. A message from your inner challenger, King of Pentacles. Wow, I guess I would just say, if coming from the challenger, they would want you to embody the King of Pentacles, to stay focused on your success. And the last one, your inner peacemaker, a message from them, to not get so caught up in emotions, to feel them, to learn from them, to let them flow through you, and to move on. And that's it. That's how I would use the Enneagram. And once again, these are your spread positions. Let me know if you try it.